హాయ్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. యూనిక్ లైఫ్ ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్న పబ్లిక్ స్పీకింగ్ మాస్టరీ 6 చేరుకుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి మనలో సాధారణంగా కొన్ని టాలెంట్ ఒక్కొక్క టాలెంటే కలిగి ఉంటారు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్న క్యాండిడేట్ కి 3-4 టాలెంట్స్, మల్టిపుల్ టాలెంట్స్, అమేజింగ్ టాలెంట్స్ కలిగి ఉన్న వ్యక్తిని ఇప్పుడు మీకు ముందుకు తీసుకురాబోతున్నాను. షీఈ్ ఎ డాన్సర్, షీఈ్ ఎ సింగర్, షీఈ్ ఎ leader, role leader in multi-level market business. She is working as a MNC company. She is doing leader role. Now I am introducing to Rashmi Cheetana garu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So everyone able to see my screen? Yeah. Fabulous. Good evening to you all. Thank you so much for joining this session. So let's get into this topic. Today I'm going to talk about the topic is passion to profession and profession to profit. So let's get into the topic. Just get into the presentation. I just want to share what is my passion about. So from childhood, my father wanted me to see as a doctor. Then after my SSC got completed, he joined me in BPC. Actually, but that was not my area of interest. When I joined, I was not able to understand anything. I just continued for 1 month. After that, I came to know it was not my area of interest. It was not my cup of tea. Then I went to my dad and I told to my dad that it's like alien to me. I could not able to understand anything. This was not my area of interest. I want to become an engineer. So then somehow I convinced my father, and later on I have joined in MPC. From there my journey has started. Like that, I have completed all my masters, and then I got a job as an engineer. So now currently I'm working what I love, what the technology I love. So that was my passion. The job, what I'm working is my passion. So let's get into the presentation. So how many of you in this session have a passion? How many of you had to find your passion? Can you please type in the chat box if you have a passion? Please type passion. If you had to find a passion, please type at. Able to see that. Yes, I'm seeing multiple responses. Some of saying at, some are saying passion. So most of them I'm seeing at to find their passion. So now let's find how to find your passion. So I'll help you today how to find your passion. So today I would like to discuss all these topics. I would love all of you to learn this today. How to discover your passion, what are the invisible barriers which are stopping you, and how to convert your passion to career, and how to get a profit out of it. First, we'll discover how to discover our passion. What is our passion, and how to find out our passion. Okay, let me give an example here. Suppose if we go for buffet, okay, there are lots of dishes are there, right? Starting with the soup, there are starters, biryani, and there are a lot of dishes, and finally desserts, ice cream, everything is there. So what all we will do? So we'll try everything, and later on, whatever we like the most, that we enjoy that, right? Out of all, we like most of them. I mean, there are few items we like the most. We'll have it more and we'll enjoy that. Like the same way, from our childhood, we need to realize, we need to self-introspect ourselves. What we love doing it. Maybe that may be a painting, that may be a dance, that may be a music, that may be a leadership skill in your school, that may be a adventurous thing. Uh, you may done some adventurous activity, that may be your martial arts, anything what you love doing it. You just think about yourself, and you just self introspect yourself and what you are good at, maybe what activity you are good at. You just retrospect yourself, and who do you admire. So by looking someone, what are the qualities which are admiring you? Maybe someone's punctuality, someone's passion, someone's skill set, someone's talent, what it is admiring you. And next, where do you spend most of your time? If you open the Google, maybe where are you spending most of your time? Is that a cooking, or is that a comedy shows, or is that something else where you are spending most of your time? I will request everyone in this session, please just close your eyes and just think about it for 2 seconds. And just after that, you just take a paper and pen and you just write it down. I request everyone, please just close your eyes. Maybe from childhood, maybe somebody has appreciated you, that you may not able to, that time you may not able to realize it. Now you just refine that, reinvent that. Yes, now everyone got your answer. Just open your eyes and just write it down in the paper. Write it down in the paper. If everyone is completed, please type yes in the chat box. Okay, good. Thank you so much for your wonderful response. Next, now we all know what is our passion. We found our passion. Next, what are the invisible barriers which are stopping us to make our passion to profession? So let's see that. First one is self-doubt. That means you yourself not confident that you whatever you are thinking as a passion, that is not a passion. First, you should have to believe yourself. You have a confidence on yourself. You have to come out of it. You need to be confident what you are thinking about, that is a passion. And the second one is time. Everyone has time boundaries, so we all busy with the different works. But if you have really a passion, you have to work upon it. You have to invest some time to your passion, to practice it and to learn that and to implement it. You have to come out of it, and you have to plan accordingly. Next, outside competition. Outside competition is like, that means you're comparing with others. So what it is happening is, if you're comparing with others at the initial stage itself, you're stopping your passion. Everyone is unique. Everyone has their own capabilities. You just come out of it. You just come out of your boundaries and leave your fear, and you only are the competition to yourself. Whatever you are doing, whatever the others are doing, you just watch that, but that should not conquer your passion. Next one is the pressure. So suppose if your parents are not accepting your passion, what it will happen? That will be a lot of pressure to you, even though you have convinced a lot. But suppose I have a passion on photography. I'm doing on BTech engineering, but I want to choose my photography as my passion. But my parents are not accepting that. I have convinced a lot, but they are thinking different. You are wasting your time to photography and all. The photographer can see the world in a different way, actually. So the nature, they're connected to the nature and they can see the world different and they can show the world in the better way, I feel. So what we have to do that time? So you have to prove them actually. What you are thinking, you have to prove them. Maybe you can do some events and you can make good photographies or something. You can do some whatever it is you want to, and you can prove them. That way, maybe they will convince. Maybe if you have other financial barriers which are stopping you, that causing your pressure. So maybe then you can try investors. Maybe there are a lot of investors in the market. Maybe you can tell your idea. Maybe they may invest on your idea. From there you can start work on that. You have to do a lot of research here. And and one more thing, to pressure relief, you can practice yoga and all. So that is one more point. Okay, and next, how to turn passion to profession. Now we know how to. Now we all know, we found our passion, how to overcome our barriers. Next, we are talking about how to turn our passion to profession. So here are the some tips. Practice, 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 and some more practice. So what it means? That means we have to learn and practice a lot. We all know that practice makes man perfect. Of course, not only man, women also perfect. So we all should have to be practice, and we have to become an expert on that type. Whatever you want to choose a passion, you need to become an expert. Suppose I'm working on I'm working on a job, right? So if I don't have any expertise on that, can I get a job there? No, right? Some expertise is required if you want to get a job. Some expertise is required. The same way, if you want to choose your passion to profession, you need some expertise. You need to become a master on that. So what are the possibilities? You just research it based on your passion. You just research the possibilities in the Google or YouTube. What the similar people are doing according to your skill set. You just search in the Google. And next, don't quit your job just yet. As soon as you found your passion, I'm not saying you just don't quit your job. Don't put a resignation today or tomorrow. Okay, you just do that. You just first initially understand your passion. Is that trying to is that having a possibility to passion to profession? I mean, is that having any possibilities? Just all research all the possibilities, and then they just do a side job for a few days, and later on, once you see the better results, then you can move that to as a profession. Okay, and next, give it a try first. So that means what happen is, some people after one or two attempts, what they will happen is they will be so judgmental. So I have tried 2 or 3 times, so that is not my passion, that is not my area of interest. So what happens is, if you try 1 or 2 times, see, even if I'm learning music now, so if the first day, you know how it was, how I sing, it was very horrible. Actually, nobody can't listen that song. Actually, everyone will run away from there. Like that it is for actually everyone from the beginning stage. We all not good at. Maybe after some point of time, you may good at. I'm saying here is, you just try for 1 month. You just take your some time and try to based on your experience, and just take a call whether I have to continue my passion, whether I love doing it, or do I need to ignore it? This is not my passion. This is not my area of interest. You just try first, and just based on that, take a decision, and never quit trying. Actually, that means you never give up. So success will not come easily. So you just do some maybe 6 months or 7 months. After that, so it is very difficult. I can't do it. So don't quit. Actually, never give up. We all should have a learning attitude. We all have to learn, and success will follow us actually. Next, how to turn your passion into a profession. How to turn your passion into a profit through our profession. So today, now we all understood, right? We found our passion, and we know how to overcome our barriers, and we know how to turn our passion to profession. Now let's discuss about how to turn a profession to profit, how to transform from passion to profession and profession to profit. So let me give you here another example. Suppose I'm good at one technology. Okay, I'm good in Selenium. Okay, just maybe it's many of them knows. I know how many technical people are there. I'm not sure, but suppose Java, Selenium, some technology I'm very good at that. Okay, so how I can turn that? So that is my passion. So I'm good in that. That is my passion. I want to work on that technology. Okay, so that I would want to convert that into as my profession. Okay, so what do I need to do? So first of all, I need to search what are the opportunities are available in the market, and also I need to become a master on that. I should have some expertising skills. Okay, and also I have to, my dream should be big. Actually, I should not stop becoming an engineer. My dream, it should become an CEO. Something, you should have a long dream what you want to be. And also you have to research on what are the success models are available in the market. You could have research before jump into that. So let me talk about whatever the technology I chosen. So now I'm good in Selenium, right? So how can I turn that my to profession to profit? So suppose as I'm good in, so I can find out the opportunities in the different job portals. I may get a good job in a good company. From there, I can get a good profit. That is one of the opportunity. So and the second one is maybe as I'm so good, I have lot of knowledge with the real time experience. So you can write a book and publish in Amazon. So that will make you a profit. And also if you want to share online course, and if you want to conduct an online course, that will give you a profit. And also if you want to create a blogs, or if you want to share your knowledge and you're creating the YouTube site, you want to get a fame out of it, you just create YouTube, whatever the videos which according to your technology, you just create it and publish it. So this is one of the way. And also if you're so good, and if you want to, by using our technology, you just want to create a new product itself, you want to build a new URP, some new ERP you want to build it. So how it will be? So for that, you need to understand, before building any product, you need to understand the why reason it is. So why reason means, so why the product is required to others. I mean, what way it will be helpful to them. So is that really helpful to others if I'm making a product? So you have to think on others' perspective, and you should have to understand first the why reason. And next, later on, you can think about the feasibility plan. You just plan it, how it is, it really works. You can, all the structures and everything, you just plan it. Once the planning is done, you just start executing it. Once the execution is done, then you just create a branding for that. That means you have to create a name and logo for that. You can create a beautiful logo. Obviously, the women like beautiful things, whatever they look at. Okay, and the next one is the marketing. So how to sell the product with by using the different marketing strategies. So just think on that. And next one is the customer experience. Once you sell the, because once you sell the product, you can take the feedback from the customer. So that way it will be helpful to the helpful to your product. If there are any flaws in the product, you can just create a second version of the product. You can upgrade the product and you can release it to the market. That way you will get a greater profits in the later point of time. So these are the live examples who already having a great passions with achieved a great milestone. So we all knew that Sachin Tendulkar, who was passionate on cricket and started at early ages and become a good cricketer. And next one is the Sundar Pichai, who was passionate about coding, and he started coding at the age of 14, and now he has become a CEO of IT, best IT company, Google. And next one is Amitabh Bachchan, who got refused in the early days of her career and struggled a lot, then become Badshah of Bollywood. And next is Ambani. We all know, who lived in two-bedroom apartment. He dreamed and passionate about the entrepreneur life, and now his empire is in world's best top 10. So how many of you here want to convert your passion to profit? Please type PP here in the chat box? How many of you? Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your wonderful response. So now I just want to summarize it. What is our journey? So what you love it, that is called as passion. What you are great at, that is our profession. What you are spending your most of the time and energy, that is for that we are paying for that. So we are taking money for that. So and what the world's need it is. Once you get the profits out of it, we need to give it to something to the society. You can do some charity. So that means finally your life has a purpose. Many of them think that I do not know what is my life purpose. So who am I? So why I'm living here? So I do not know my life purpose. If you follow your passion, I hope what you love, you are doing it. Finally, your life has become a purpose. And next, people with passion can change the world for the better. So I believe the people with having the great passion can change the world for the better way. So was this session valuable to you all? Please type if you find this is valuable, please type valuable in the chat box. Valuable, valuable, valuable. We thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mallikarjun Garu, Radha Rapushri, Risha Garu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for your amazing response. So finally, I would want to conclude that do what you love and passionate about. Your life has a purpose. Obviously, the money and success follows you. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Yes, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ రష్మి గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం. ఏదైతే ఈ రోజుల్లో చాలా మంది డ్రాబ్యాక్ లో ఉన్నారు, ఇక్కడే వాళ్ళ ప్యాషన్ ని ప్రొఫెషన్ గా మార్చుకోలేకపోతున్నారు, అండ్ వాళ్ళ ప్రొఫెషన్ నుంచి ప్రాఫిట్ ని ఎలా తీసుకురావాలో అందరూ ఇక్కడనే డ్రాబ్యాక్ లో ఉన్నారు. అలాంటి ఒక సెషన్ ద్వారా మీరు ప్యాషన్ ని ప్రొఫెషన్ గా ఎలా మార్చుకోవాలి, ఆ ప్రొఫెషన్ నుంచి మనం ప్రాఫిట్ ఎలా తీసుకురావాలి, చాలా ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వండర్ఫుల్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే పార్టిసిపెంట్ నుంచి కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్, వాళ్ళకి ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక 10 minutes మనం క్లియర్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది మేడం. ఓకేనా? యా. సో ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటాయి, డెఫినెట్ గా ఆ డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ చేయడం ద్వారా వాళ్ళు నెక్స్ట్ వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ టైప్ చేశారండి, మనోహర్ గారు టైప్ చేశారు. ఏమనంటే వై కాంట్ వి టర్న్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇంటూ ప్యాషన్? మనం ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ని ప్యాషన్ గా ఎందుకు టర్న్ చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నాము అని క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు.
సో బికాస్ whatever it is, so because we are having always some enjoying mode, right? If it is something, our education system is like always something stressful. We have to from morning to evening always we are feeling like a stressful environment. So nowadays the education system is not like a playful environment, like fun environment, enjoyable environment. So that's why maybe we are not able to choose that as an our passion.
ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ మీ మైండ్ లో ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే చాట్ బాక్స్ లో టైప్ చేయండి. డెఫినెట్ గా ఇక్కడ మేడం మనకి ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు. కమ్ ఆన్. సో ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చన్, ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అయినా సరే. మేడం ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ మనం చూస్తున్నాము, ఏంటంటే హౌ టు మార్కెట్ అవర్ ప్రొఫైల్ ఫర్ గెట్టింగ్ బెనిఫిట్ ఫైనాన్షియల్లీ. అంటే మన ప్రొఫైల్ అంటే ఐ థింక్ వీళ్ళు అడుగుతున్నది పర్సనల్ బ్రాండింగ్. మన ప్రొఫైల్ ని మార్కెట్ లోకి తీసుకెళ్లాలంటే ఫైనాన్షియల్ గా బెనిఫిట్ అవ్వడానికి మన ప్రొఫైల్ ని ఎలా మార్కెట్ లోకి ఎలా తీసుకెళ్ళాలి?
Okay. How to market our profile for getting the benefit financially. So that means you can actually first whatever the talent you have, that you should have to publish in the public portals, maybe from YouTube or Instagram, whatever it is. First you have to showcase it what you know, that way others will identify maybe whatever. If you want to start a business, right, first you start a website and you start publishing it in the YouTube or Instagram, whatever it is, in the LinkedIn. You just have to do some posters and whatever you are going to do. Others at least they should know, right? You do some marketing or some posters, whatever it is, what you are doing it. So that way others will know, and that way it will be helpful to you, I feel.
ఎస్ ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. ఇక్కడ ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ తీసుకుంటాం ఏంటంటే మేడం ప్యాషన్ అనేది ఒకటే పెట్టుకోవచ్చా లేకపోతే ఇంకా మోర్ ఏమైనా ఉండొచ్చా? ప్యాషన్ విల్ బి వన్ ఆర్ మోర్?
Yeah, it will be actually it will be depend upon you actually how you can take up. So nowadays the trend is going on. So we all are new generation, right? So in our early, our grandmother, grandfather, or even my father, mother days, we do not have internet and all. So now we all are exploring many things. We are trying multiple things. So even though if you have because even though if you are good at multiple, maybe you are strong at one, right? Even though I know multiple technologies, maybe in my profile I can put this area I'm strong. So that way you may also have one passion. You may more good on that. You will enjoy more on that. So that way you can find out.
ఎస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు ఏంటంటే హౌ టు ఓవర్కమ్ ప్యాషనేట్ ఫోబియా. అంటే చాలా మంది ప్యాషనేట్ గా ఉండడానికి భయపడుతుంటారు. సో అలాంటి ఫోబియాని మనం ఓవర్కమ్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి?
సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యాక్చువల్లీ passionate గా ఉండడానికి భయపడడం అంటే there are lot of negative people which are surrounding us. Okay, if we want to start something, suddenly they'll come and they'll stop. They'll say some other words which they'll spread something on negativity. So with that, what it will happen? So we'll demotivated and we'll stop that. We could not go further on that. So if you want to continue, or if you go not further, if any problem comes, only then only you can understand the importance of it. Whether you should have to fall down or you should have to raise up, that you need to understand. From there you have to raise up or you have to fall down, that we need to know actually. There are many people in the
Yeah.
world, so the good or bad, first we need to decide ourselves. We have to come out of fear and we have to come to our comfort zone actually. Then only once if you put the hard work, we can achieve, I believe.
ఎస్ ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. ఇక్కడ వన్ మోర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే కెన్ సమ్వన్ హూ డస్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ప్యాషన్ ఇన్ లైఫ్ కెన్ బి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అండ్ హ్యాపీ ఇన్ లైఫ్? కెన్ సమ్వన్ హూ డస్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ప్యాషన్ ఇన్ లైఫ్ కెన్ బి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అండ్ హ్యాపీ ఇన్ లైఫ్?
See, actually, oftentimes what will happen is we are busy with our study, and later on we'll do a job, and we are busy with earning the money, right? So after few days, what will happen is we don't know. I mean, we can't. Somewhere you having a feeling, right? Somewhere it is missing. Some feeling it will be there in your inner side. So if you can't find your passion, you don't know where you will be happy at. So that way you have to find your passion, and you need to know where you will be, where you will love it and where you are good at. So that will give you happiness to your life, and that will become a purpose of your life.
ఎస్ ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు ఏంటంటే యాజ్ ఎ బీటెక్ స్టూడెంట్ ఆల్వేస్ ఐ లైక్ టు స్టడీ అండ్ వాంట్ టు స్పెండ్ మోర్ టైమ్ ఆన్ స్టడీస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఐ ఆమ్ profession in dance, but I want to continue my life into education.
Okay, he's saying he is having a passion on dance, and also he want to continue his as a job,
Study.
not as a passion, right? Okay, that means he can continue his passion on the side job, maybe, like, or he can maybe still he is learning. Maybe he needs to become an expert. He wants to pursue that as a passion. until that you can continue as a hobby or passion, like you just whenever you have a time you just do that, so that is not a worry. But once you become an expert, you try that.
Okay, thank
Obviously
you
you can see the greater
very much.
benefits after some point of time, you can see. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much. And participants, ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ తీసుకుందాం. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ తీసుకొని సెషన్ ఎండ్ చేద్దాం. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఎవరి నుంచి వస్తుంది చూద్దాం. కమాన్. యా మేడం, ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు ఏంటంటే, ఎట్ వాట్ ఏజ్ యూ ఫౌండ్ యువర్ ప్యాషన్ మ్యామ్?
Yeah, that's what I told, right? Actually, my father wanted me to join, wanted me to see as a doctor. So after 10th standard, I came to know, actually, I was not able to understand what are the BPC related subjects, biology and all. It's like stars to me. I was not able to getting anything. Then I realized it was not my area of interest. Whatever the new activity you are doing it, maybe you could find it. Maybe forcefully someone, if you joined also, it was not, you may not feel pleasure. You may feel pleasures to others, but you could not feel happy yourself. Yeah.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్, ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే కనుక ఇక్కడ మేడం యొక్క మెయిల్ ఐడి ఇక్కడ చాట్ బాక్స్ లో డ్రాప్ చేస్తారు. ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఉన్నా సరే, మీ ప్యాషన్ పరంగా, మీ ప్రొఫెషన్ పరంగా ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నా సరే మేడం యొక్క మెయిల్ కి డ్రాప్ చేయండి. డెఫినెట్ గా మేడం సొల్యూషన్ ఇస్తారు. అండ్ మేడం, ఒకసారి మీ మెయిల్ ఐడి చాట్ బాక్స్ లో డ్రాప్ చేయండి. వాళ్ళకి ఎలాంటి డౌట్ ఉన్నా కానీ వాళ్ళు మెయిల్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తారు. Yes.
So the mail
ఎంతమంది
ID is
చెప్పండి.
chinta.rashmi@gmail.com.
chinta.rashmi@gmail.com. CHINTA madam.
I'm just typing it, don't worry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
here is my
Madam,
ID. If you have any questions, please post me. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining the session. I feel really happy. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you so much. సో ఎంతమంది ఈ రోజు సెషన్ చాలా వావ్, నేను చాలా మంచి గ్రేట్ లెర్నింగ్ తీసుకున్నానని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు? కమ్ ఆన్ ఎవ్రీవన్, షుడ్ టైప్ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్ వావ్, ఐ యామ్ వండర్ఫుల్. వావ్ 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 వావ్. Yes, superb. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for your active participation. Thank you so much. And thank you very much, madam. మీ యొక్క టైంని, మీ వాల్యుబుల్ టైంని మా పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ కోసం ఇంతగానం కేటాయించి వాళ్ళకు చాలా మంచి లెర్నింగ్ ఈ రోజు ఇచ్చారు మీరు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వన్స్ అగైన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ యాక్టివ్ పార్టిసిపేషన్. అండ్ చాలా మంచి లెర్నింగ్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు. నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు మీ లైఫ్ లో ఇవన్నీ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ మీ లైఫ్ లో మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు మీ లైఫ్ లో ప్రోగ్రెస్ అవుతున్నారు. ఎస్. అండ్ మళ్ళీ మనం రేపటి సెషన్ లో కలుసుకుందాం. రేపటి సెషన్ చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. రేపటి సెషన్ లో మనం కలుసుకుందాం. Until then, bye bye. This is signing off, Mr. Mahesh, VK Trainers team. Jai Hind.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Bye.